Monday, February 24th, and these guys have got one headlight installed. Be one of those high lumen headlights. So they got the front opened up for the access, and they got the second hole already drilled there, and then they still got to put in the fog lights. But just doing a quick walk around here. Dad said he was possibly going to be working on this here today, and he did, and that's done. So if you recall in yesterday's video, we're farting around with this back door. Didn't realize until the very end that the door is actually not the right door for this machine, but it's what the customer wanted, that's what the customer supplied, and he's actually wants it like that anyways because it'll catch more air to cool down. But that all looks like it's all in place now and good to go, which is what they needed it to do. And so back over here, Dad just mentioned he's looking for hollow bolts. I didn't even know that was a thing. So they're looking for hollow bolts. Nina Pinta Santa Maria, she's boss dog right now. The other dogs are outside. Cat's eating groceries, and Peter's looking for hollow bolts. But yeah, this is their progress here today. So once they get that other headlight in, Dad has the gas tanks to still to put in, and then the rear lights as well, and the wiper motors have to go in. So by the rear lights, I'm talking about what's going up on here. We do actually have some teardrop lights in stock, but I think they're going with a different set of lights for there. We'll find out what Peter wants in the end. But we've got a lot of stuff. The other thing Dan has to do is install two new bumpers, one on the front, and he's going to do one on the front. Can't remember if I saw that yet or not. Nope, not in there yet, but he was working on it yesterday, and it's actually on the table over there. And so yeah, that is the new bumper for the front or back. And yeah, well, maybe we'll check in with Dad and Peter and find out what's going on. Okay, so these guys just put in the second light. I think they just placed it, and they need some new fittings. So the one was already installed, the other one just got put in. Tuesday, February 25th, and I don't know if it's my eyes, but the machine looks brighter for some reason.
Okay, this is all masked behind there. That's the bumper's got to be welded on. Yeah, it's painted.
Yeah.
Lights all work on this road.
Okay, we're gonna test the lights here right away.
There's high.
They got zero lights. Yeah, he just forgot to put the power on. Okay, so high beams, yeah.
Low beam.
Your low beams, yeah.
Wiper.
There's 1, 2 wipers, and they're timed. So, yeah.
This is everything is done here now.
Okay. Done on the inside.
Yeah, except for
The final clean.
bracket here.
Yeah. Oh, he needs the door bracket and the tail lights and the fuel tanks. So looks like he's testing some wiring here already, but he's got the lights on here. I think that's because he just put the power on, and it looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So we're going to let Dad continue on here, but he has got that. I don't know if he's making a new bumper here, or if he's going to make an extension, or if that's the way it is. So but we'll find out what's going on here. But yeah, I figure in the next couple of days here he'll be done. And I know Peter's very, 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 very happy with the progress and with those lights installed. Are we putting in the fog light yet?
You mean
Up top.
no?
Okay.
These are really bright. You don't need that.
Okay. Probably like 10,000 lumen or something, or
That's,
high.
I found the bolts this morning
Oh, good.
to run the wires through.
Okay. Okay. So that's it for today, guys.
Peter was here.
Okay.
Peter was here,
Yeah.
but he didn't stay long.
Okay.
I think he figured I could put him to work.
Okay. Okay. Well, so that's it. And we got Nina Pinta Santa Maria here. And kitty cats up top. And we'll go check on the other hammerheads outside. Pecker-headed dogs. Old Charles. Yard foreman Emily. Schooner shop dog. Everybody's happy to be playing. Yeah. Oh my God, my old dog. My Filipino Emily. And there's Yetters the Yeti, our neighbor dog. Hi. And our old Charlie is in his doghouse. Doesn't want to come out. He's going to eat treats in there. Hey, you peckerheads. No fighting. You're supposed to be friends, remember?